Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Mahlkonig Hemro International AG here. This machine was just clogged with some coffee grounds, and so I removed this top panel, and I also recalibrated it while I was cleaning it. So I removed the burrs, cleaned it, put them back together, and then recalibrated it so the 0 setting is the finest setting that you can go without the burrs touching. Before, when I went to 0, I noticed the burrs were touching a little bit, so I just adjusted it slightly, and I think that's about it. I cleaned the machine and tested it. Everything looks great, so now I have it on about 2, which should be on the finer side of an espresso grind, but it's just to show you how fine it can go. So hopefully you can see that there. You can kind of tell that it's fine when you press it together and it just sticks. And there's also room to go finer. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.